Howdy YouTube. I have a real quick EDC update. I've changed two things in my everyday carry. One, I've added the EXO utility blade. I find this thing to be so much fun. It is so easy to actuate. It is just hard to do when I'm on camera like this, but it is just so much fun, and it's both a fidget toy and very functional. I now use this for all my EDC tasks. And then I've changed my primary carry gun. Past video I showed my 627. I am now carrying a 242 Ti. Now it looks like my J-frame with humpback, but it's double action only, and it is a 7-shot 38 special only. Weighs 19 ounces. They only made these for 1 year. Very rare bird.